Hi everybody, it's Don Adamson from Red Oak Realty. It's great to see you again, and I'm very excited to present my latest listing here at 480 Tennet Avenue in Pinole, California. This is a magnificent estate, formerly the Fernandez estate, one of the founding families of the city of Pinole. It's 2.43 acres. There's a main house that's just under 3,000 square feet and a guest house that's approximately 2,000 square feet with a studio in the top of it. Let's go on and take a look. Hey everybody, thanks so much for taking the tour. I hope you enjoyed the wonderful architectural features and the magnificence of this property. As you can see, the arches, the wainscoting, the cove ceilings. This is really an extraordinary piece of workmanship. We're going to be open this coming weekend, February 24th and 25th, Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. Please stop by and see us. Look forward to seeing you then.